Get your blood pumping, baby. F***ing right. So how are we doing, you beautiful people? Today is not as, it's a Saturday and it's looking kind of a little like shit, but sometimes that's how it is. This one, when I try to get on the ride, most of the times, that's a nice Beamer. Holy. Topic of today's video is I want to give some tips to all like the new riders out there. Yeah, I'm a new rider myself, but for all the folks who are thinking about getting into bikes and all that type of stuff, because riding a bike is more than like what you think. It's not just getting on and just like damn going. There's so many things involved with it. Woo! There we go. Back, baby. So the number one thing that all of the new riders are the future riders who are thinking about getting into this scene, the main thing is gear, because gear will protect you from, like, you know, if you go down. I'm not saying that you will go down, but in the chance that you do, I would much rather you have gear than not to have gear at all, because I've seen some pictures of people who have fallen without gear, and it's a pretty scary sight, especially depending on where you live, because where I live, folks cannot drive at all. So like when you're like trying to find gear, one thing you could do is if you have like your local like motorcycle shop or your cycle gear or any of that, go in and try some stuff on. Because say for instance, if you buy gear and it's like not what you like and you already paid like a crap ton of damn cash for it, you are going to be less likely to wear that gear, because then one, it doesn't fit well, or you don't like the styling of it, because what's the point of getting gear if you're not going to wear it, right? Because there's so many to choose from. Like there's like a full racing suit, just having some motorcycle jeans and like a mesh type jacket, because there's so many options to choose from. So, and there's a whole bunch of options that you can pick that fits like where you live, because where I'm at, it's about to get very hot. So wearing like a full suit, you're gonna have a damn heat stroke, and that's not gonna end too like well. It's best to just go in, try some things on and see what you like. And to go back on the point that I made, if you buy gear and like it doesn't fit well, most of these companies, as far as like Cycle Gear or Revzilla, you can send like the gear back. Like you have like a certain amount of time, but if you don't have a shop like around you, you can send like the gear back to like get like a different size or something else. Gear is important. Next thing is choosing like the type of bike that you want, because that's what we all want to do, right? Choose the bike that we're going to like. Because some folks say, oh, start on the 400. Some folks say, oh, start on the 650. Some folks say, oh, you can even start on the damn leader bike. The best thing you can do is that, like what I did is that I went into different like motorcycle shops and I set on different bikes. I like set on the cruisers, the super sports, the naked bikes, the what else I set on? Oh! That sounded so wrong. Pretty much I set on most of like the bikes you could get out there, and each bike is gonna feel a lot different because they have like a different purpose for each bike. Because this bike that I have now is I'm gonna consider a naked bike, stand-ender bike, and like this is good for like doing what I'm doing now, because like I don't have a windscreen, so on the highway it could be kind of wild depending on like how much wind there is. But there's a whole bunch of like plethora of like bikes, and if you feel, well, depending on like the skill level and the confidence that you have, like you can ride any bike that you want as long as you have the discipline. Because this right here, the throttle, is what can mess you up, and that's the difference between all of those bikes. They have a lot of damn power. Because this is my first bike and I started on a 650. Yeah, it's fun because I didn't want to, me personally, I didn't want to get a 400 and then outgrow like the bike in like a damn few months. So I went ahead with the 650 because it had a little bit more ump to it, and like if I needed to do something or pass somebody or like get out of the way real quick, I'll have that power to do so. So yeah, try out a whole bunch of bikes. Don't just like get what like someone says, because there's a whole plethora of damn bikes out there now. Because you have Kawasaki, Yamaha, Suzuki, Honda, You even have CF Moto now. They're starting to come into the market. Harley, Ducati, BMW. There's a whole bunch of damn bikes, man. Find you like a shop and try as many bikes as you can. And it would be cool if like you could like, you know, test ride out of bikes, because then you can really see what you really like. Most of the shops that I went to, I couldn't really test ride. So, but the reason why I like this bike, because I'm upright, and knowing like the super sports, like you're more leaned over, and I don't have time for that crap. Because if I'm just riding in like the city most of the time, I don't want to be hunched all over. Because no, when you found like the bike that you want, before you go buy that bike, the important thing you can do is go take MSF course. Because if you have never ridden a bike, that will teach you the basics, like how a bike works and certain things you need to do on the bike in order to stay alive. Cause some folks, they do fine without taking that course. It's good to like take that course, because it like gives you a general idea of what you're about to get into. And then again, the insurance companies, they like that, because then you get like a lower rate, which is good. Yeah, insurance is like, they're weird, but I hate them all, but that's the life we live. Because out here, man, it's like the wild west. Always something going on. Take the MSF, of course, if you want. Like, I'm not saying these are the things you need to do, but these are the things that I've done and stuff that I've learned in my little short time of riding. Because things that I would think that would benefit new riders and stuff like that. Is that a Grom? That is. Those things are everywhere. But yeah, I'm just giving my like general knowledge based on things that I have learned to like help out folks that are thinking about getting a bike and are kind of on like the fence. Because getting the bike is like probably like the best thing that I've done in like a long time. Because it's like such a different experience from like just riding in like a damn car. Such a different experience. All right, so now that you've taken like your MSF course, you have your gear, you found the bike you want, it's time to go get that damn bike. And I will tell you now, the first ride on your new bike or your bike that you just bought or anything like that will be terrifying as hell. But as long as you use the tips that you learn in your MSF course, you will be fine. Because like that first ride, yeah, of course it's like going to be scary, because like doing your MSF course, you don't really ride around other traffic. You're usually in like an empty parking lot, so it will be terrifying as hell, especially that damn first time. Or because like what I did, so yeah, that first time will be like scary as hell. Because what I did is I have bought my bike, I stay in Slidell, and like the bike that I got was in Gulfport, and I didn't have a truck to like bring my bike from Gulfport back to where I was, so I had to drive all the way to Gulfport, get dropped off, and I drove the bike all the way back for my first ride. I don't have video from that first ride because I was a noob and like trying to get it all recorded, so there's that. But as long as you take your time, breathe, and don't do anything too harsh, you will be fine on that first ride. First ride, just have fun, be safe, and just do everything that you learn from your course, because that's why you want to take that course, because it'll give you like an understanding of how to control the bike, how to drive the bike, stuff like that. Maintenance, it will depend on what type of bike you like get. Some bikes are harder to maintain than others, because what I did is I took my bike to have its first maintenance done to like the shop, because I wanted to like make sure that everything checked out and it was all good. And next thing is group rides. I've not been on a group ride yet, but the like things that I've learned from other folks is that in a group ride you want to ride your own ride, and like try not to pick up bad habits from folks who are like more experienced than you, because learning process is not like a sprint. Learn at your own rate, and don't try to be like somebody else, and don't try to like replicate what you see on YouTube, because people on YouTube are just doing it for like the clicks and like the views. That's it. So you have to be safe out here on these roads, because group rides are fun from like what I've heard and like what I've seen, because it's like that's where like the sense of community comes together very strongly. So group rides, man. May not go on one next week. Like there was one that I saw planned, because like the weather is starting to get warm, so there's like a lot more bikes out now than there was like 2 months ago when I first started to like ride. So that's fun. It's like I know like all on YouTube you see these people on group rides going crazy. I mean like absolute bunkers. And just try not to follow like the crowd. Just do your own thing. If they want to speed off and like cut through like traffic and all that, let them do like them, because you're brand new. So like, you don't want to do something that you feel uncomfortable with doing, because then you're going to get hurt. Because they've probably been like doing it for like a long time. Because it only takes one time for you to get hurt, and then you'll be like, oh crap, I hate bikes, they're dangerous, I hate them. Well, no, they're dangerous because you weren't, that's a nice Beamer, you weren't like doing it on your own accord. You were trying to be like somebody else, and you being like somebody else got your ass hurt. Just do your own damn thing, learn at your own rate. Ooh, that's a bullet over there. Nice. In order to gain that confidence, it's good to practice, because you don't want to get into that. You don't want something to happen and you don't like know what to do, because you haven't practiced it since the MSF course. Because as you saw in like my previous vid, I tend to like to practice often. I try to like work on my progressive braking, messing with my clutch control, working on my slow maneuver type turns, because those are things you can do. Practice those things to stay like on top of it, because you don't want to become complacent and then forget how to do things, because it will bite you in the ass. Woo! Nice little bump there. It will definitely bite you in like in the ass. So always try to at least practice at least once a week. Like do like your U-turns, like when you like go from a stop and you like U-turn, work on like using both of your brakes to slow the bike down in a well-maintained manner. Like there's so many things you can do to like practice. And then if you want to go a step above, you can take like a advanced course, because there's so many ways you can stay on top of it. That's a nice Camaro. I like that color. Practice will make you a much better rider to survive most of the situations that drivers in these cars will put you in. Because say for instance, this Ford that's right in front of me, they just got over in a lane. Yeah, they had it on their blinker, and most folks think because they have their blinker on that like they can just get over into like your lane. So what I did is I recognized that and I kind of like slowed the bike down, came off the throttle, because you always need to have your escape plans, because you want these things to become second nature to you, because it will save your life. It will save your life, because out here, man, on the road, people are crazy. They run your ass over. I love that! Get your blood pumping, baby! F***ing right! Practice, man. That's all you really have to do. Practice so you can live to see another day. Enjoy the freaking moment, man. You're on a bike. Like, a lot of folks, they dream about being on a damn bike. But if you're watching this and like you have your bike, we are already doing something that most folks want to do, and they probably will never be able to do. So yes, enjoy the moment. Enjoy the little things. Because what we're doing now is like something that is probably one of the best things that you can do. One of the best things that you can do. The community is great. The bikes that we have nowadays, they're fun to drive. And there's a different world out there. Because driving a car is like, huh? Nice. Thank you. But yeah, man, enjoy the moment. And as you see, they like the bike. We're gonna make this light. Fuck that. I ain't sitting in that damn line no more. I'll be damned. What are you talking about? There's always something new that you will experience when riding the damn bike. Always. Why are you stopped in the middle of the damn crosswalk? What the hell is that behind me? I like that. I don't know what it was though. It's a geese! Riding a bike was like one of the best things that he has done, and words can't describe what these bikes do, man. Doo-doo-doo. So I'll recap what we talked about. the the gear, the bike, the courses, your first time riding a bike, group rides, practice, and enjoying the moment, because you are embarking on a journey that is the best, one of the best out there. Enjoy the moment, because life is too short to be not to try something damn new. Because the one rule that I make for myself is that when I ride this bike, damn girl, she's pretty close to my foot. One rule I make about this bike is that I have to be in the right mindset when I ride. I want to have a clear mind, and I want to just be focused. God damn. I'm about to hit me. Folks don't even know how to turn sometimes. They be scaring me. Because you don't want to get on the bike and like be mad. Because like, what's the point? Because then you'll be driving very recklessly. Because I would like my head to be clean. Focus and always on alert when you're on a bike, every second of every time, because anything can happen. Because it is a privilege to be able to ride a damn bike. Privilege that most folks won't never be able to do because they're like just scared. Because like one dude, because I was doing some maintenance on my bike, and one dude said, "Hey, like you like ride?" He don't know. He asked, "Hey, so how fast your bike goes?" And I said, "I don't know, like 130, 140. It just depends on like the damn day." And he's like, "Damn, man, that is fast. I'm scared of bike." There's no really need to be afraid or scared of a bike. There's just no need. As long as you treat the bike with respect, even if it's a 400 or a liter bike. Treat the bike with respect, and it will respect you. That's it. Because if you get a little wild on the bike and like you don't know how to control it and stuff like that, you're gonna be in for a world of damn hurt. For real. Because this bike right now, if I was to just jam on the gas, it will buck me the hell off. But I know not to do that, because you know I'm not experienced enough to in order to like maintain a wheelie or anything like that. Because no, I'm not doing anything like that. So bump that. Plan to become an old rider. That's what we all want to do at the end of the day. No one, I'm not trying to die young. I'll catch y'all in the next one, and y'all have a good day, and ride safe now. Peace. Doo-doo-doo.